Hello and welcome back to Baking by Leah. This week I'm going to be making sausage rolls. The first thing I'm going to do is cut up a handful of flat leaf parsley. In my bowl I'm going to add a teaspoon of garlic, a little bit of salt, my finely chopped parsley, and 50 millilitres of water. For my dish I am using sausages, but you can use sausage meat. I don't need the skins of my sausages, so I am going to cut them apart and peel them out of the skin and place them into my blender. I'm now going to blend and cut. I'm now going to add in my parsley and garlic, and some ground pepper. I have rolled out my puff pastry. I'm now going to cut it lengthways down the middle. Add in my sausage mixture and spread it along the length of each of the pastries, making sure I leave a 1 centimetre gap on the edge. I'm now going to tightly roll my sausage rolls. And the edge that's left, I'm going to run some egg wash down the outside. To seal the sausage in. I'm now going to cut them into sausage rolls, leaving about 2.5 centimetres wide. going to place my sausage rolls onto my baking tray. If you don't want to bake your sausage rolls straight away, you can leave them in the freezer for up to 1 month. I'm going to brush them with egg wash. I'm now going to bake in the centre of the oven for 25 to 35 minutes. If you are cooking yours from frozen, you're going to need an extra 10 minutes cooking time. I have preheated my fan oven to 180 degrees. Thank you for watching this week's YouTube video. I hope you enjoyed it.